The girls are waiting for the teacher. She's late. The class has already started, but she's still nowhere in sight. It's very unlike her. We need to find out what's happened. We were right. Miss Elizabeth is unable to get up off the couch. She feels really terrible. Her illness is well known and pretty widespread. She's allergic to school. Redhead and Dolly wake up their teacher quietly. Miss Elizabeth jumps off the couch with a scream. What are you doing here? The teacher fully wakes up, takes a pack of crackers, and opens a notebook. Cover 2 printed tuck labels with clear tape. Cut off the excess to fit the size of a notebook cover, and attach the labels to the cover. That's crazy! A package of crackers turns out to be a disguised notebook. Miss Elizabeth is checking her schedule while the girls are scrutinizing the snack cover. Still, she's a kind hostess, so she gives the girls real crackers. We should have a painting class now according to the schedule, so take your paints and paper. They still need brushes. Miss Elizabeth takes out pretzel sticks for some reason. Snack again? Nope. The teacher keeps surprising her students. She opens up the package and they find 2 brushes among the salted pretzel sticks. Make handles from light orange clay. Roll it into thin sticks. Cut off the excess. Hot glue the handle to the top of the brush. Coat the clay pretzel sticks with clear acrylic lacquer and sprinkle with salt. The snack brushes turn out to be real, so the girls use the salted sticks for painting. The teacher has not completely recovered from her illness yet. She needs vitamins. Redhead offers her juicy apples, and Dolly gives her a rainbow fruit skewer. Make holes that go all the way through in small foam plastic fruit pieces. Use a knife and an awl. Make a hole from one side in a bell pepper and a lemon. Thread the fruit one by one onto a marker pen. Attach the lemon and the pepper onto the ends of the marker. Make a tiny hole in the lemon using the awl. Cut off a piece of a wooden skewer and attach its blunt end into the hole. Take the stem out of the pepper and attach a piece of skewer instead. Miss Elizabeth scrutinizes the creative fruit snack. Then she decides to take some fruit off the skewer and, oops, she opens a marker pen. This fruit wonder won't supply you with vitamins, but it will certainly make your day. What can I try my new marker pen on? The teacher takes something from behind her back. It's chips! Split yellow note stickers into a few piles. Draw an oval so that it looks like Pringles chips and cut it out. Take out all the stickers in a stack and bend it to shape like potato chips. Put the paper Pringles into an empty Pringles tube. The girls get very excited. They adore Pringles. What is it? Paper chips? These are stickers, and now we will play a game of Who Am I? The teacher draws a crown on Redhead's sticker. What has she drawn? I wonder. Redhead has a few tries. And she guesses right. Bingo! She's the queen of the day. Did you like the new creative school supply ideas? Then write in your comments which snack you would like to sneak into class. Sticker chips, pencil popcorn, or a cracker sharpener. And don't forget to give your thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new cool ideas of back-to-school pranks on the Troom Troom channel.